Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Python decorators are a powerful and flexible feature that allows you to modify or extend the behavior of functions or methods. Decorators are a form of metaprogramming and can be used to wrap functions with additional functionality. In this tutorial, we will explore the basics of decorators with a simple example. Decorators are functions that take another function as an argument and extend or modify its behavior. They are applied using the @decorator syntax just above the function definition. Decorators provide a concise way to alter the functionality of functions without modifying their source code. Let's start with a basic example of a decorator that logs the execution of a function along with its arguments and return value. In this example, log_function_execution is a decorator that takes a function, func, as its argument and returns a new function, wrapper. The wrapper function prints information about the function execution, calls the original function, and then prints the result. Now, let's apply this decorator to a sample function. When you call the add function, the decorator will modify its behavior. The output will be. Decorators can also take parameters. Let's create a decorator that repeats the execution of a function a specified number of times. Now, let's apply this decorator to a function. When you call the greet function, it will execute 3 times, and the decorator will print the result each time. The output will be. Decorators are a powerful tool in Python for modifying or extending the behavior of functions. This tutorial provided a simple introduction to creating and using decorators, along with examples to help you get started. Experiment with different decorators to explore the versatility of this feature in Python. ChatGPT